Hello, inCruises family. You made it. Year number 6. Wow. High five and a big hug. On behalf of Frank and me, happy anniversary to all of you with inCruises. Through hard work and growth, you've made it another tremendous year. I often reflect on my time with you and this dream we realized together. Please know how grateful Frank and I are to be living our dreams with you. It's been an incredible 6 years. 2021 was a tremendous year. And despite the uncertain waters, I'm so proud to see how far you've come. You reached 194 countries, which is almost every single country in the world, by the way. You positively impact approximately 900,000 members who registered with your website, took Leadership Academy courses, and used your booking engine. Most importantly, you continue to save people money. You've saved members over $62 million. That is fantastic. 100% of your members have saved money. 100%. That's every single one of you. That's huge news. What other business could say that every customer saves money? Every day we are improving and growing so we can help you to continue sharing your passion for world-class travel. Throughout 2021, we worked hard to make sure that your future was bright and rock solid. We are convinced that everything is at your fingertips and all that you need is to reach out and grab your future. Starting in April 2022, we will upgrade your membership. When you hear upgrade, simply think of 2 words, more and less. Your membership will provide you with more immediate value, more payment flexibility, more vacation choices with hotels, yes, hotels and resorts, more rewards, and more convenience of cabin availability. Your membership will also provide less time you have to wait to save and less stress and anxiety of no more increasing invoices, and no one will ever forfeit their membership. To make everything work, we had to make some adjustments. We acknowledge not everyone is going to love the adjustments, and we thank you for your trust that we are doing our best to take care of everyone long term. There are so many things for you to look forward to with the 6th year of inCruises. We continue to want what is best for you, and your upgraded membership plan is just the start. So Frank and I thank you again, every one of you. Frank and I are blessed to be on your team. Together, we are creating a movement and momentum that is truly special. What you're offering is unique. What you are doing is unmatched. So let's celebrate these 6 years while we toast to many more. Are you in? Are you with me? Frank and I wish you love, abundance, prosperity, safe travel, and good health. Thank you for your trust. Happy 6th anniversary. Happy anniversary.